Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all fine and ready to learn through video lecture. This is your second video lecture for class 1, subject computer science, and I am your teacher Aruj Iqbal from Dwayne Public School and Intermediate College. We will discuss from page number 17 to 18 and the book is Go Digital. Students, as you know, our first chapter all about computer has been completed. Today we will do the exercise and I hope you are all ready. Please pick up your pencils and eraser. Let's discuss exercise A. Draw the electric symbol on electronic machines only. Children, what do you think? Which of these are electronic devices? The devices which require power supply to operate are called electronic devices. And what you think, computer is an electronic device or not? Yes, computer is an electronic device. The second picture is refrigerator. Children, what you think, refrigerator is an electronic machine or simple machine? Yes, refrigerator is an electronic machine. The third picture is abacus. Children, abacus is a simple counting frame. The fourth picture is bicycle. Bicycle is also a simple machine. The fifth picture is seesaw. Children, what you think? Seesaw is an electronic machine or simple machine? Yes, seesaw is also a simple machine. The sixth picture is stapler. Children, what you think? Stapler is an electronic machine or simple machine? Yes, stapler is also a simple machine. Now we will do exercise B, fill in the missing letters. Children, the first picture is laptop. Please complete the spelling of laptop. Laptop, laptop. The second picture is desktop. Children, what you think? What is the spelling of desktop? Complete the spelling of desktop. 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 The third picture is tablet. 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 The fourth picture is mobile. 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 Now we will do the exercise C. Take the correct option. Number 1. Which of these is a machine? Children, what do you think? What are machine? Machine which make our work easy are called machine. The first picture is sparrow, the second picture is bicycle and the third picture is tree. Children, what you think? Which of these is a machine? The second picture bicycle is a machine. Number 2. Which machine is used only inside the house? Children, what you think? Which machine is used only inside the house? The first picture is camera, the second picture is skateboard, and the third picture is washing machine. The third picture washing machine is a correct answer. Number 3. Which computer fits in the palm? Children, what you think? Which computer fits in the palm? The first picture is mobile, the second picture is tablet, and the third picture is laptop. Mobile phone is too small. It fit in the palm. The first picture mobile phone is a correct answer. Number 4. Which computer cannot be carried everywhere? The first picture is desktop computer, the second picture is laptop, and the third picture is mobile phone. Children, what you think? Which computer cannot be carried everywhere? The first picture is desktop computer is the correct answer. Dear students, now it's time for your homework. Solve all these three exercises A, B and C. Thank you for watching.